This is Ernie. Say hello to everybody. Hello. And he just flew here from Florida. That's right. Did you go on a big jet? No. Well, how'd you get here? I winged it. Ho 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 ho. Very funny. Okay, tell them who you are. I are? No. Tell them what you are. What you are? Tell them you're a so-and-so. What? He's a so-and-so. Not me. I know what I am. Tell them what you are. Tell them you're a bird. A bird? You look like a turkey. Ho 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 ho. Ernie, you're a bird. I am. I'm a bird. Ho ho ho. And now he's going to show you a trick that I taught him. I am? Yeah, you are. Hey, give me back my hat. Ho ho ho. Let's try that again, Ernie. Behave. Ernie is going to finally do that trick. Ernie, give me back my hat. Give me back my hat. Why can't you behave? Why don't you be like me? What? And the good for nothing? Ho ho ho! Ernie, say goodbye. Goodbye. But give me back my hat.